Welcome to Excellence Ingimac Private Limited Company. As Fee and Take Workers, we manufacture aluminium extrusion profiles. The process begins with aluminum primary ingots. The furnace is a large, high-temperature vessel capable of reaching temperatures above the aluminum melting point, around 660 degrees Celsius, are designed for both melting and holding the molten aluminum at temperature before casting. Molten aluminum is often refined using nitrogen gas to remove impurities and gases. A refining flux are added to further purify the molten aluminum and remove impurities. Maintaining the temperature of the molten aluminum within a specific range, says 730 to 750 degrees Celsius, is crucial for refining and casting. The molten aluminum is poured from the furnace into a casting mold. The casting speed is carefully controlled to ensure proper solidification and prevent defects. Then, the molten aluminum cools and solidifies within the mold, forming the desired billet shape. After solidification, the billet is cut to length and inspected for quality.
Aluminum alloy billets are heated to a specific temperature, typically 400 to 480 degrees Celsius, to soften them and make them more malleable by induction log heater. The heated billet is placed in a container called a container or chamber. A hydraulic piston pushes it through the die, forcing the aluminium to flow through the shaped opening. The extruded aluminum is cooled to prevent it from warping and to improve its mechanical properties. Stretching and straightening processes is used to correct any bending or bowing that may have occurred. The extruded aluminum is cut to the desired length using automatic cutting machine. We have two press in-house consisting the same process from making aluminum soft, then extrusion profiles process starts as described previously. We use artificial aging process for aluminum profiles, which involves holding the material at a specific temperature for a certain duration to induce desired changes in its microstructure and properties. Once aging process is done, final quality checks are verified. Then computer-generated weighment and packing of items start. Anodizing is an electrochemical process used to create a protective and often decorative oxide layer on the surface of metals. This process involves immersing the metal part in an electrolyte bath and passing an electric current, which causes the metal to act as an anode and form a layer of oxide. Powder coating is a method of protection of the aluminum by which a coat of ponder is sprayed on the surface of the metal to give it a specific decorative finish and protect it from corrosion and weathering effects. Process involves pre-treatment, then powder spray at last, putting it into a curing oven to bake. Solar fabrication work encompasses the process of manufacturing solar panels and the structures that support them. It involves designing, fabricating, and assembling various components to create functional solar energy systems. We have a line of automatic solar frames, cutting and punching machine with capacity of 10,000 frames per day.